Today we have hard problem. Alice plays with Bob to make a difference of the points Alice minus Bob. Alice tries to make it maximum. Bob tries to make it minimum. This is a game, and the points itself are from the array. Imagine we have this array. It is with negative numbers, and we allowed to take at least 2 and any numbers from the left. After we taking it, we have to put the sum back as a number, like sum from previous, then 0 minus 7. This is a new array, and Bob would play from this one. So this is a hard problem. It consists of 10 to the power of 5 numbers. The number itself can be minus 10 to the power of 4 up to 10 to the power of 4. And this is a DP problem. You have to pay attention, like I didn't pay it, but you have to. And if I would solve it, but I didn't, and that's why I didn't solve it. The attention is to this detail, that this and what we have to maximize and minimize is not the absolute value, is not absolute value. Basically, this makes the problem much easier than it could be if it would be abs. And that means if Alice wants to maximize this sum, she wants to maximize her value and minimize Bob's value. And the same for the Bob, he wants to minimize this difference, and that means he wants to minimize Alice value and maximize Bob value. So basically this is a symmetry between the actions. That means the DP itself much easier. The second intuition is that you have the prefix sum, it never goes away. So if Alice takes it, Bob would take it too. And the problem itself became like DFS. When you do DP of the current step, it takes maximum. If we take DFS I plus 1 to the next position, or the current prefix sum, so this sum I minus DFS next I plus 1, basically take or skip. So if I take it, if I skip it, this is the entire DFS. Every time I take entire prefix sum, no exceptions. So this is very easy, and I subtract my opponent's values. Okay, let's look at the code. This is very straightforward if you just write it like this, no problem. The final step, a little bit of a corners case, because you aren't allowed to return 0. 0 could be bigger than last value if last value is negative. But we can make it simpler and just return into minimum value, for example. Okay, and let's look shortest variant. This is a Golfit Kotlin version. Scan to make prefix sums, then default. Basically don't use anything to remember. hash map, just use the previous value, and that's the solution. The last one is the same. Okay, that's it for today.